plantain?
170.
170. It's expensive. Hey fam, today we're gonna shop for organic fresh grocery in Linstead Market in Jamaica. The last time we did this, we went to Coronation Market in Kingston, which is the main market here in Jamaica, but now we're going to the famous Linstead Market, you know, and we're gonna compare to see what $5,000 can get us here, if it is any more, any less from what we got in the last video. If you haven't seen that video yet, definitely go on and check it out, and of course check out this one. Okay, so without further ado, let's get into the video. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. $170. It's expensive. Come talk to me about your fish. I don't want to talk to you the fish more. You tell me where you're there with the fish to make everybody know what genie fish this. Yeah. Rate it. And instead you find the best fish, you have to come good to me. Yeah. So how much for genie fish? Which one of them? Tell me everything where you have, every price so the people them know. $500 a pound, $900 a pound, $700 a pound, $250 a pound, $400 a pound, $300. So what's the difference? What's the difference? Yeah. Fisherman sell your fish pan the size and price. Yeah. How far them guys see all of that. I remember the fish have gas price, all different kind of something make up to everything. You understand? Yeah. I'm not gonna can't clown you either, you know? No, not at all, not at all. I mean, why you tell the world so this is Genie fish at Linstead. Alright. And which way you can find Genie again? Right at Linstead Market. Linstead Market or Firehouse. Alright, Genie. Genie, you have a number where them can call us for the fish? No, the number gonna be if you have a problem. Remember, I know some people could have call. Make them call, alright. 782-1205. So 876-782-1205 for Genie fish. For Genie fish. Alright. Alright. Big up yourself, Genie. Alright.
So guys, this is Jeannie's Fish. So if you ever need fish in Linstead, it's right at the entrance of the market. So definitely come and check her out. Alright, so what is your name?
My name is Courtney, otherwise food truck.
Food truck?
Yeah.
Is that the food truck this?
Yeah.
Okay. So what you selling today? Talk to us.
I'm selling scallion and I'm selling local apple and I'm selling corn. These are corn I'm selling and these are chocho. And these are tomato.
Yeah.
And these are cucumber.
Okay.
And we have papcho over here for $100. Papcho, local papcho with no fertilizer. And we have Irish over here.
Yeah.
And we have hot pepper over here. It's so pretty and wonderful.
Yeah. These are very nice.
Yeah, these are nice Jamaican products. I'm selling them out for little change to go home to the kids then.
Okay.
Yeah.
So it's every day you come to the market?
I come to the market 4 times a week. Tuesday, Thursday, and Friday and Saturday.
Tuesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday.
And Saturday.
Okay, so where you move up and down or you have a
I
stall?
move up and down,
somewhere?
out of the street, inside the market.
Okay, so when people come, they need to come and look for you,
Yeah,
right?
they come and look for me. Food truck.
Food truck.
Seen a cart, man.
Alright, big up yourself, food
Every
truck.
time Jamaican, you are welcome. Thank you very much.
Alright,
Next time
thank
again,
you.
Jamaican. See you. Bye-bye.
Guys, big up food truck in the Linstead Market. Alright, so come out and check him out. Alright.
Yeah. We are international star.
What you said?
We are international star all purpose. We
Alright.
play ball, we shoot fish, we work hard for anything we want in Jamaica. We're not going to thief, because I don't like thief, I hate thief.
Yeah.
I try to destroy thief.
Yeah. Alright, big up yourself, food truck.
Alright, nice lady, what is your name?
My name is rochielin.
Rochielin.
Yeah.
Take care, your name is so wonderful.
Thank you.
Take care, Jamaica, next time again.
Alright.
Bye-bye.
Going inside the market now. So which direction we need to go now? What direction? Come on, all of you. Hello. How much for the bags?
150.
150. So we need one bag. I don't need more than one. What is your name?
My name is Lunette Livingston Fuller.
Nulette.
Lunette, L-U-N-E-T-T-E.
Lunette.
Livingston Fuller.
Alright, Lunette Livingston Fuller. What are you selling today? Talk to me about your stuff. What is this?
It's a linseed.
Lint?
Linseed, yeah.
Okay.
The omega-3.
Tell me about other stuff that you have.
We have the black pea. We have the lentil. We have the split beans. Chickpeas.
What's the price for each of them?
This is for 120.
Give me the price when you give me the
We have
name.
peanuts, $600 a pound.
Okay.
You can get half one for $300.
Okay. And for this
The linseed, $100 for that.
100. You have sunflower seed?
Yeah, we have sunflowers,
How much?
$100.
100. Alright, so sunflower seed.
Yeah.
And where you said this is now?
And sesame seed,
How much is that?
$100.
Okay.
We have the almond,
Mm-hmm.
$100 for it.
Okay.
We have the pumpkin seed,
Pumpkin. How much is pumpkin?
$100.
Okay.
We also have the dry cranberry,
Dried cranberry.
yeah,
Mm-hmm. How much for that?
100.
Okay. And then I see you have
We have the
peanuts.
chia seed,
What is this?
chia,
Chia.
C-H-I-A,
Oh, the chia seed. 100?
Yeah.
Okay.
If you want a bigger pot, me have bigger price.
Oh, you have the bigger ones?
Yeah.
Gotcha. And so how long now you been in the market?
Well, about over 30 years.
Over 30 years?
Yeah, because my son is 30, I'm inside here before.
Wow. You've been selling seeds since you started, these seeds? Or you different products?
From one to another.
Okay. Okay, and what's it like on a day-to-day here in the market?
I enjoy doing it. Sometimes I come and I really sell, but I still love the job.
Yeah. Okay, and I'm sure you use it, the money from this, to help take care of your son.
Yeah, to send my son at college.
Yeah?
Send him through Calabar, send him through school.
Yeah?
Husband not working and me and him work together.
Okay, your husband works in the market too?
No, not really working. He will come and put me out and go on home.
Okay.
I will survive.
Okay, that is good. That is very inspiring.
Pay my basic bill.
Guys, come and check her out. Hard-earned, honest bread. And she have all these seeds. You know, it's good to make your smoothies and to add to your other dishes. I'm gonna get a few. There's a full house now. We're all here, ready. And we only have $2,600 leave. We make 2 stops, and this is what's left. So this is rose water and almond. You put it in porridge, and this is $120 and $240 for the different prices. And then you know the Castile soap. I know a lot of my older Jamaicans know this. And you have matches. How much for the soap? 80 for the bath soap. And the matches? 120 and 100. You have yam or yam?
No, you know.
No. How much for the tomatoes? $60. Mama, you want $60 tomato? What's it for them tomatoes?
What do you want? Do you want to spend? And then the fuck up over this one.
You like it? Yes. What's your area?
150. 2 pound?
But all you not easy. What are you just tell her what she want?
I have ambition, don't you?
Me tell her bad.
2 pound.
Me not understand you.
Eh?
Me not
Don't have
understand
ambition.
you.
You like a
Bad.
person with ambition? Ask that question, answer the question. Do you like a person with ambition?
Yeah,
Okay,
one of them,
just answer the question.
No, one of them
we
must
never
spend
say
the money.
explanation. We never say explain.
One day must spend the money. No,
When they must spend the
no
money.
one of my money. You can't ambitious with my money.
Yeah, because that's what the person doing with it. Eh? Oh, you don't know she will get the benefit of it.
It's one of my money. You can't dictate my money. Go on for your business.
No, you want to come to me. You want me to get benefits out of your money.
I must say, the prices here in Linstead Market, they are a lot more expensive than the prices in Coronation Market that we saw last week. Even the price of tomato, thankfully we're able to get tomato at $50, but like the price for yellow yam, we got for $50 a pound last week in Coronation Market, and today is $150 a pound. in Linstead Market. So I don't know, we're still going, and we're told that the prices are actually cheaper from the vendors that are on the outside of the market as opposed to the ones on the inside. So we went inside a while ago, we just come out, and now we're outside trying to see what we can get, but as you can see, the police are here, they're running the people, so we just gotta see what we can do, so just keep watching. There's the police coming, so everybody running and scampering to get away. The police officers are over there. Look, the car people moving. They're not supposed to be on the roadside, they're supposed to be inside the market. And this is just on the front of the market. See, the road that was once blocked is now getting kind of empty. It's kind of interesting.
Alright, you see, by the time the police walk up the road,
Yeah.
the cartmans come back out.
Yeah.
And you see, by the time they come back down the road,
Yeah.
the cartman go back in. You understand?
So they just play this game all day.
All day. Until about 5 o'clock, and then the police them gone, then them just block off the road altogether.
Wow, cause the police just moved from over there, they're gone up the street. But it's like this game of hide and seek that they play. But I must say these police officers are a lot more lenient than the ones that I see in the downtown Kingston. These ones are kind. The one in Kingston are a lot more aggressive. Talk to me now.
Yeah, you ready?
Yeah.
Wait on. Yes, I pay trouble give it. Anyway, they plan them. 170, I want to get 2 for 240, 340. Okay?
What about?
340.
2 for 340?
Yeah, 140.
You can't give me that 150 or one.
What?
One for 150 or
Yeah,
one.
you can't give me a 151 for one.
Want some big fat one?
How much you want?
About 5.
About 5?
I don't want them look one there. I don't want them look being one there. Want some big, hey.
Listen,
No, hey, the people that are watching now.
Oh, I tell you. I'm not. Yeah.
I don't want them baby plant
But them one
there.
there, the big one, I want it. I
I
want
want
it.
them big one there on about. Hold on, let me look, cause you know.
I want
let me
$70
show-
platinum.
let me sh-
I want
let me show you how to be
1 cent,
ambitious
1
properly. Let me show you how ambitious properly. I want them big fat one and more.
Fee, we should have money. Fee, we should have money. Fee, we should have
And them
money.
big fat. Hold on, man.
Eh?
Lift off them and give me that bunch.
Put a cucumber. Punch it down.
It's so good here. Oh my god, this looks so nice. More on this. Come now, ambitious.
Some left some my time, you know. Some of left some my time.
Ambitious, how much for that?
Eh?
How much?
Stop. Check it out.
How much for that?
5 times 16 now. Now give me 160. 4 times 16 now.
How much is that? 60 again.
Tell you 100. Furniture them you know what you do.
So what is your name?
Sheldon.
Sheldon?
170 moment. Yeah.
How often you come to the market?
This is where I live.
Every day there?
This is where I live.
Okay.
This is my home.
Okay. So
Yes.
how are sales in 2021?
Oh, what? Repeat that.
Sales.
Sales?
Yeah.
Yeah, go on. You see like how you will give me so much trouble?
Yeah.
Eh? That's how it is. Yes, that's how it is. Like you will give me so much trouble.
So sales good then?
Eh?
Sales
So sales good.
then?
So you say no that you're good.
Yeah.
Eh?
Of course.
All right then. We split then.
Alright.
We split with that.
How much for your tomatoes?
Tomato, 100.
Okay. So make your tomato them so expensive.
You know, I've planted any as yet.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, so I'm not the farmer. So I purchase from whosoever do the farming. So
Okay,
yeah,
so
farmer,
from the
farmer, yeah,
chemical.
farmer. So you have 3 sets. Farmer, farmer, yeah, farmer, igla. You understand me?
Yeah,
You have
yeah.
3 sets.
Understand.
Yeah.
Alright, big
You
up
get it
yourself.
now? Eh?
No, I'm buy already. I'm
Okay,
just
so you have
want
become a good self too?
Yeah.
I like it.
Alright, big up yourself. I'm gonna check out Sheldon whenever you come come to Linstead Market and support him.
Yeah.
Come on, me say, me no feel comfortable. Me left from town and come here come buy food in the market dearer than when me buy for town. Prefer not buy none. I go back to town go buy. Yeah, bye. Insect powder for all sorts of insects, ants, roaches, flies, speech crawling, all the things that you're afraid of.
How much for your garlic?
100.
Alright, look at it. Alright, thank you.
I'm Barbara Rose,
Yeah?
and I am telling you personally, I am not impressed with Linstead Market. Because
Why
when you
not?
talk to the Eagles, they say they buy it at curry, so they have to put something on it and all of that. So
Yeah, it's very
that is why it's so
expensive.
expensive. Yeah.
Wow. Alright then, thank you.
You're welcome.
Let me see your
Plant the thing and come down at Linstead Market and sell them people they dead off. And the younger generation them now want plant nothing. So they want to buy from who plant it, so they have to pay for that because I don't know what is wrong why we're not looking at agriculture. Every country must be able to feed themselves. The man did say plant what you grow and what? Eat what you grow and grow what you eat. And then laugh after him. And see it now, we're supposed to be doing that. But guess what now? We're supposed to be doing that. It's true. I think I have a little problem with that.
Tell me.
Because I'm on that side on the hill. So you see the eagles on the hill and the farmers on the hill reap their stuff, carry it to curry Friday night, Thursday night.
Yeah.
And the eagles now from this market goes to curry, buy the stuff there and come back.
What a whole heap of transportation.
Yes, because if you had come here like 5 o'clock or 6 o'clock in the morning, you wouldn't see anybody. You see anytime like from 6:30 to 7, that's the time you see them fixing up because they're just coming in back from town.
Okay.
So we are saying the same thing basically. We are saying, what I am saying is that when my grandmother used to come to Linstead Market to sell, she used to get the produce off of our land. She never go buy from nobody.
Man, but a long time that.
I don't care.
Only for years.
We need to go back to that.
Okay.
You understand? But no, nobody not interested in planting anything. What we are going to do? What we are going to eat if we don't want to grow something? We are going to eat pure foreign thing?
Alright.
Farming as when me used to go until me used to look forward to agriculture class on a Friday. You go on the farm, then teach you how to pluck the chicken, then you go, you pick up egg, you feed the fowl them, you give them water. When a slaughtering time, you put them upside down.
All of that in our school?
And cut off their neck. Yes, and we pick them and we get chicken for carry home.
Yeah.
Yes, for everybody. Get a chicken for carry home for their Sunday dinner. That used to happen in a school. Them they think they done and cut out. I don't know why we can't go back to it. Chicken and come home. She not even get one. I used to look forward to agriculture class, me I tell.
So the police gone, look how the road full up back. Remember it was empty just now? Police gone and it's now full. All the cart vendors are back out on the road. And all the vendors that ran when the police came, now they're back.
First, book for a child.
At first, me I see that book, yeah. Royal Prime, I never see this yet.
Yes.
Skip it. What is it, a puzzle?
No. ABC. Capital letters, common letters.
Wow.
First reading.
I enjoy the Linstead Market vlog. Big Linstead Market, can't me happy go a Linstead Market, not a quarter what sell. Oh man, the people them not cooperative at all.
Yeah.
Don't enjoy it, I don't enjoy it.
The only thing we never enjoy is the price. They're expensive. As in, they're a lot more expensive than Coronation Market, and I thought that this was gonna be cheaper, considering that it's closer to the East Country and farmers come down. But apparently, a lot of the higglers, they go to Coronation Market in Kingston, buy the stuff, and then come to Linstead and sell it. And it's kind of a backwards thing. But, yeah, so
And double the price.
So as you can see, we're sweat up and tired out and all of these things now. So we're about to leave Linstead Market. So when I get into Kingston and get home, then I'll come back. Alright. Okay fam, so I'm now back at home and it's time to show you what we were able to get today. So both myself and Mommy Lynn, we did separate shopping. My budget was $5,000. Her budget was $3,000. So behind me on the table, this is what she was able to get for 3,000 Jamaican dollars at the market. So she was able to get 2 dozen green bananas, and that's $300. 3 pounds of onion for $4.50. 2 pounds of tomatoes for $100. 5 pounds of yam for $500. 2 pounds of cabbage, $200. 1 lettuce for $200, 3 chocho for $100, 2.5 pounds of Irish potato for $3.75, 2 pounds of carrots for $300, and 1 dozen apples for $300. And she also bought a bag which was $150, and her total is $3,000. So this is what she was able to get. Okay guys, so this is what I got for my $5,000, and as you can see, it's a little less than what Mommy Lynn got, because I got different things and some of my stuff were a little more expensive. Now over here I got seeds, so sesame seed, chia seed, pumpkin seed, sunflower seed, and flax seeds. 5 of them, each of them were $100 a bag, so it's 5 of them. I also got coconut oil, I got honey, and I got castor oil. I got tomatoes, I got pumpkin, I got plantains, Irish potato, carrot, yam, rosemary, and an insect powder. Oh, and garlic. So that's really everything. $5,000 at the Linstead Market. So my conclusion is that the Linstead Market is definitely more expensive than the Coronation Market. And what I learned today is that a lot of the vendors actually go over to Coronation Market, purchase the goods, and then come back and sell it at the Linstead Market, of course at an increased price because they add their markup, right? I really thought that persons would have farm and then sell their farm products, but unfortunately some of them go to the Coronation Market, so then the price is is a lot more expensive. So it's disappointing for me because I was really hoping that it would have been cheaper. And as you can see from the last video, I definitely got a lot more. Tomatoes, thankfully I got that for $50. But things like plantain, last week plantain was $150. Today is $170. Yam that was for $50 is now for $150, and some other things. So I think if you're in Kingston, stick to going to the Kingston Market. If you're in Linstead, I mean, I would go to the Linstead Market because it will cost you in bus fare and transportation to travel that far. So if you're there, you just buy what you have, because the margins, they're small, but it adds up, if you get what I mean. But that's what I got, and you saw what mommy got. But you know, you can see it is doable to live off of going to the market in Jamaica and buying the fresh produce at the market, and then you buy the other stuff at the supermarket. But whichever you choose, it's all up to you, and it all depends on your budget, depends on the things that you buy, because what you buy is also important, as you can see from mine versus what mommy got. It would appear that she get more things, but I got more expensive things like the honey and the castor oil and the seeds and stuff like that, you know, because the honey itself was $800, so that put a huge dent already into my budget, right? And the coconut oil, again, that was expensive as well. So your choice. The objective of this video is to inform you of what the price is in January in 2021 in the different markets, and I hope you learned something from it, so you can go out now and go and purchase from a more informed position. And I just want to say thank you so much for watching. Thank you for coming back every week. Thank you for the support. Thank you for the views I've been getting. Thank you for your comments. Please leave your comment down below and let me know what your thoughts are. Compare Linstead versus the Coronation Market. Let me know, and let me know where you like to go for shopping. Do you prefer the supermarket? Do you prefer the market? Let's chat below. Thank you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.